ජසාකල්ලා හයිරන් ලෝතු මියාරුගේ අල්හා ඊදු බන්දුග ශෛල් වර බේනුම් කේම්ප්තාන් එකමුගු ශෛල් වර බිරුගනේ කේම්ප්තාන් හම බිරුවේරි කමකාවෙස් දිමාවෙදානින්නු දෝ එම්මෙ වර බිරුගනේ
මිෆහර UKG I ಗೆ ದರಿವರುಂ ನಾಯಕು ಕೆಂಪು ಗೊಸ್ ಉಳೆ ಮಂಜರು ಬಲಾಲಂ ಕಿಹಿನೆ ವಾಣಿ ಪಲ್ಲವಾಲವ್ವ.
It's a cloudy day. Sarah and her friends have decided to go camping today.
Let's stay here. Yes, this spot seems pleasant enough, doesn't it?
Yes, this spot is fine. I wish to read a book here.
They begin setting up the camp there. Tariq, being an avid reader, has taken a few books with him to read. He kept away from others and found a secluded spot to sit and read. Ahmad too began kite flying after taking a kite from his bag.
Look, this is a small tent I made for this camp. Wow, it's lovely. MashaAllah, Nusaiba is the best. You are so creative, Nusaiba. You are always making these beautiful things.
That is the power of Almighty Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gifted us with the brain, so we may think. He have also gifted earth with different materials that we may use to make things we need. Allah have taught us skills. He is the all-powerful.
Oh, it's so windy all a sudden. It's as if the kite is dancing in the breeze.
Do you know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the air. He makes the air flow towards different directions as wind.
Yes, we need air to be. Subhanallah.
Let's now have a fire and begin eating. Tariq, leave the book and please go fetch some wood for the fire.
Of course. Lut and Ahmad, please come as well. Be ready to light the fire by the time we come.
Does anybody know what time is it?
Yes, it's time to be happy. The time to be happy is now. And the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy. And we'll have a little heaven right here. The time to be happy is now. And the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy. And we'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here.
Sarah, where are the marshmallows we brought? Now the fire is ready. Let's begin roasting the marshmallows.
Not yet. Roasting itself won't make it ready to eat. I have whistle for everyone to begin eating.
Yes, Ruth asked me to. I have you brought a gift to the person who can eat most number of marshmallows.
So, is it not yet time to eat? Luth, please whistle quickly. Now everything is being roasted.
Yes, Lord.
1, 2, 3.
While everyone is enjoying the marshmallows, a bear comes. Everyone screams in terror. They grab whatever they quickly can and run away in fear. Tariq too tries to grab his books and run away.
Little bird, where has your mother gone? Why are you here all alone? Little bird, where is your nest? Why are you so far from all the rest? Allah knows the language you speak, and Allah can lift you high. Allah can bring you home again, for Allah is stronger than I. Allah is stronger than I.
They run and run and run. In time, they find themselves amidst isolated mountains.
We've come a very long way. Let's sit by this mountain.
Yes, we are exhausted.
Subhanallah. Do you know, even the mountains recite zikr in devotion to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
I don't know that. How does that happen?
I too don't know how, but the mountains too were created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
We don't even know where we are now.
Let's use the materials we can get from here and make a flag. That way anyone who sees it will know that we are here.
Oh, it's starting to get terribly cold. Let's light a fire here. Now that we are amidst the mountain, everyone should listen carefully for any unfamiliar noises.
This is a special song, you have to put your ears on. Listen for the magic word. STOP, this is what you should do. Something that you may have heard. Stop. Go, go, go. Stop. Go, go, go. Stop. Go, go, go. Stop. This is a special song, you have to put your ears on. Listen for the magic word. STOP, this is what you should do. Something that you may have heard. Stop. Run, run, run. Stop. Run, run, run. Stop. Run, run, run. Stop.
On the way, they hear noises of other children.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a great big gorilla washing his clothes with a rabbit up here, a rabbit up there. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 boo. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 boo. Boom boogie boom boogie 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 boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a slithering snake washing his clothes with a rabbit up here, a rabbit up there. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie boogie. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie boogie. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie boogie. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's
what a beautiful song. Let's go there.
with the rabbit up here, a rabbit up there.
They walk towards where the sound is coming from.
Boom boogie boom boogie boogie boogie.
They
snap.
meet some old friends
Boom,
of
boogie,
Nusaiba.
boogie, boogie, snap.
Suma, Mari, Naya, Yuha. We meet after such a long time, right?
Nusaiba.
These are some of my very old friends. She is Suma, she is Mari, she is Naya, and she is Yuha.
The more we get get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
What are you doing here? We came to camp at a nearby area. But then came a bear and we rushed away in fear. We've been here since then.
The same happened to us. Come with us now.
Oh, look at this majestic waterfall. We want to drink water from the waterfall.
They run towards the waterfall to drink water from there. Lut, in a fast run, went ahead of all, drank water and came back to walk with them from behind.
It's as if you never had water. The water will surely be gone this time.
They see another group of kids a little distant from the waterfall.
Assalamu alaikum, Hud.
Wa alaikum assalam.
What are you doing here, Hud?
We are exploring how the ants live.
Look how the ants go up and down the tree. They work so hard. It's as if they are protecting their food before winter.
Ants too were created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is aware of the total number of ants here, as well as what the ant army does. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made them so that they know to prepare for winter. It is indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who makes and changes seasons, summer to spring, spring to autumn, and autumn to winter.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
At that moment, it starts to rain. Everyone goes under the shade of a tree.
Allahumma sayyiban nafi'a.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it rain. Almighty Allah is aware of each individual raindrop to the ground.
مطرنا بفضل الله ورحمته. Ahmad and friends, what are you doing here?
A bear came while we were camped. We came this way to run away from it.
But we recite a supplication to seek protection from it.
Which supplication is it?
Auzu bikalimatillah tamatin min sharri ma khalaq. What happens with that prayer? When we recite that supplication, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protects us from all animals and similar difficulties.
Everyone recites the prayer together and they head towards the camp area. From then on, they never had to face dangers of such animals. They continued to enjoy at the camp.